OMG. I know I'm looking every which way. I gotta hurry up. I don't even know why I picked this camera up, but I am hurrying because I forgot to bring my gym bag to work. So I usually go on Tuesdays straight to the gym, but I gotta hurry up. So I'm gonna pop off for a second, get dressed, show you what I got on for the gym. I'm in my coat, show you what I got on for the gym, and then run out of here. But when I come back, I'm gonna pick up so I can show you that item. That parcel finally came in from Forever 21. So I'm gonna style that for you tonight. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll either boots or Forever 21. We'll see when I come back. All right, I am back with my big fuzzy hat still on. I am breaking a huge athletic attire rule right now, and that is mixing brands. So I have on a Converse tee. Don't know if you've seen this before, but this is a Converse tee, wearing some black leggings. And then, oh, these are the Nikes that I just got. I just showed you those yesterday, I think. But these are the new ones. So that's what I'm wearing. I think that the colors sort of go together. I'm going by color, not by brand. So I gotta run. I'm running to this class. I'm gonna come back super, super gross and sweaty. But I have some other stuff to do tonight. I gotta bake some, I don't even know why I agreed to do this, but we're having like a little sweets event at work tomorrow. So I'm gonna be baking some cookies for that. If they come out cute-ish, then I'll bring them to work. If they come out ugly, then we're gonna eat them. So I gotta run, and then when I get back, I'm gonna be showing you baking cookies, and then maybe either some boots or the piece that I got from Forever 21, or one or the other, not both. It just depends on how I'm feeling. All right, see you guys. So I've made it back from my class. Forget the hair. Every day I'm just gonna be like, forget the hair. But I just made it back from class. Class was cool. What I'm glad to report is that these Nike shoes are a dream. They feel so nice. So I'm gonna probably, I'm lying. I was gonna say I'm gonna look at the details and tell you what kind of shoes they are, but how about I just tell you? I'm not gonna pop it down in the... Okay, so these are some running shoes. They are called, what are you called? They are called the Lunar Glide 8 running shoes. And I would imagine that since I got them from Nordstrom Rack, that they may be on Lunar Glide number 9, 10, or 11 at this point. So just look for Nike, you know, women's Nike Lunar Glide, and you should be set. So I am contemplating whether or not I want to make these cookies. I am really not feeling it. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I bought from Forever 21 real quick. And if I still have, like I said, the energy or the wherewithal to show you, to cook these cookies, I will do that. But I will say, I have a truth moment for you before I put these pants on. There's a reason why I feel like I just cannot be great. I'm getting sick. I'm not necessarily loving the way that my body looks these days, but it's because of shit like this. I eat pastries for dinner. I stopped at Vanille and got a chocolate, a croissant chocolat. And I am going to make a chai. Oh, don't you like this cup? Look at what it says. I don't know if you can read that. Yes. I'm gonna make myself a chai latte, and that's gonna be my dinner. My husband gives me shit all the time, like, you know, that's what you eat and you wonder why you're sick. And yeah, that's probably why. Only because I'm lazy. If I were not lazy, I'd probably make myself some sort of vegetable medley with a sweet potato. Oh, I just love sweet potato. Just bake it, and then with nothing on it. All right. I'm almost thinking about eating one right now. And I live in a condo. My upstairs neighbors have a kid. They just had another kid. But you can hear the madness. Sometimes during my recordings, you hear like a banging noise or some dragging or something. That's the little kid upstairs. So I can't even be mad. I remember those years when my son was younger. It was constant noise. And now there's still constant noise, but it's him on Fortnite, yelping and screaming on Fortnite. So anyway, With that being said, I am going to start to make my chai, and I'm going to grab this thing from Forever 21, show you that real quick, and then show you a few ways that I'm going to wear it. Be right back. So it took about 1,000 years to get this item from Forever 21. I'm going to open it with you. So hopefully, so two things can happen here. I didn't even get a chance to see it in store. I only saw it online, so we'll see. It feels really, really heavy. I actually got a pair of Sequins pants from Forever 21. I got it in a size extra small, and during Black Friday they had an additional 30% off. These pants on their own, in my opinion, are pretty expensive. They're $39.90, so 40 bucks. And they took another, 30% off, and it was free shipping. So still, for me, relatively expensive for Forever 21. I like the cheapest things from there. I mean, well, like, I appreciate when the prices are really low there. But these really struck me as being really nice, and they didn't quite look like this on the website to me. They looked a little bit more casual / pastel, but let me get them in order here. So the pattern looks right. I'm gonna have to pop the link below so you can see what I saw when I bought them. Let me change the lighting on here. So these are the pants. They kind of they have both matte and shiny sequins on here, and they are sort of wide leg. I decided to go with the extra small, just wasn't really sure what would work. So I'm nervous that they won't fit, because in Forever 21, they're designed for adolescent women or adolescent girls. So I'm not really sure if an extra small or small ever works, but as you can see all the way down to the bottom, it is wide. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. I'm gonna pop it on with this shirt to start, and then you'll see what it looks like. I'm gonna pop this on over my clothes, just cause I'm lazy. You guys, I don't know if you knew that. Every time I try on clothes when I go shopping, I try everything on over my clothes. And the reason I do that is because I try to calculate for a little bit of fluffage, so my weight fluctuates up and down. I figure if it fluctuates down, I can always tailor down. But if it fluctuates up, I need that cushion, I need that stretch. But what ends up happening when I do that is that my clothes end up looking like I borrowed them from somebody. They don't look like my own. So let's see. So far, so good. So far, so good. Alrighty. I hate invisible zips. Alright, so they appear to fit. Yeah. So that's the look. That's what we're going to start with. I'm going to go and get a few other tops and things to pair this with, so you can get a feel for how I'm going to style it. So I'll be right back. So I discovered something while I was getting changed. The reason why, so this is how it looked when I looked at it on the website. And so that's why when I pulled it out of the bag, I'm like, this doesn't look like the same pair. It's because it looks like you can go from day to night. You can turn it gold. Look at that. You can turn the whole pair of pants gold. But then you could switch it back like to the day look with the matted and the floral. That is hot. So now I'm not so mad at the price, because I can wear it two different ways. Look at that. Oh my. Are we liking that? Are we liking that? Woo! All right. So let me show you what I decided to pair it with. I'm just doing a button-down shirt. And hopefully you can see that very well. I'm just doing a button-down shirt on this one. And I think this is a good, I wouldn't mind like if we were doing like a little party at the office or something like that. I wouldn't mind rocking something like this at the office or a dinner with clients or something like that. I don't think that this is a bad look. I think that going out with your girlfriends, this isn't a bad look either. Dinner or brunch or something on a Sunday, this is not a bad look. on this side. But on the gold side, woo! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have so much fun. So anyway, let me put it back so I can show you how else I might be able to style this. I'll be right back, right? I'm actually not mad at adding a blazer. I think this look is pretty cool if I add this blazer to it. Let me know what you think. I'm feeling this. And then, back to the gold, right, for an evening look. Could you imagine just this all white with the gold? Oh my gosh. I am definitely feeling it. You have to take some time to make it all look good, but look at that white with the gold. Oh my gosh. So right now I have on these gold slides. I definitely have to wear some really high heels because these are way too long for me. When I walk, I crunch on the sequins. So, but I am loving this. Oh my gosh. Okay, coming to an outing near you ladies. When we go out, I am rocking gold pants. Look at that, and the white. Yes, all of that. Yes, yes to all of this. And I know you guys are rolling your eyes right now. That's all right, roll them. And then I have another look in mind. I'm not gonna switch the shoes since you can't really see them anyway, but I have one more sort of simple look in mind. Be right back. All right, you guys saw this sweater already the other day from Urban Outfitters. Remember I showed you the high-low, and it's cropped, but these pants are high-waisted. So this would be a nice little clean, sleek, simple look with the sort of the day side on this one. I am really feeling this one. It's a very nice look. And then on that gold side, yes. Oh my goodness. You can't tell me nothing. Nothing, not a thing. You can't tell me. Yes. I actually wore this sweater to work today, so if I can do a cutaway, I will show you what I wore to work. Again, I did the simple striped, the striped stretch jeans that I was telling you about, and this one has a very faint horizontal stripe on it, but it's still a neutral. So I am loving it with the gold. What are you guys thinking? What are you guys thinking about that? I like that. I would definitely rock that. I know it looks a little weird. Let me turn the back. Look at that. Yes, 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 yes. Anyway, so these are the pants that I got, and it took forever to get them, but you know what? Now that I know that it flips colors and flips size and such, I am not mad at how long it took. It was worth the wait, and I am not mad at the price tag. I'm just hoping that the quality is good enough such that it lasts me a few wears, where it make it worth the sticker price. But I like it. I like it. Let me know your opinion of these pants in the comments below. All right, so I decided against the cookies. I'm lazy. I'm just gonna have my croissant and my chai and chill. I'm probably gonna clean my closet a little bit, so that might happen, but otherwise I'm just not doing it. So you guys get a feel, a little I guess a little snippet into my psyche too, how I have plans of grandeur when I come home, like, oh, rushing home and I got 1,000,001 things to do, and the reality of what actually happens. So this doing this video was enough. And all I did was try on one thing for you, but doing this video was enough. And so that's all I'm gonna do for today. I have, you know, some other little things that I need to do before the evening expires, but the cookies not on the list. Those are not on the list. I gotta edit this video too. Yeah, so I have to edit the video so I can post it tomorrow. Anyway, so I think that brings me to the end. Hopefully, I really want to know your opinion on these pants though. Tell me what you thought. Was it worth the cost? So whatever that cost me, I think that was 20 something bucks. if I can math right. Yeah. But yeah, I think it was 20 something bucks, $27 or 20 something bucks. Anyway, tell me if it was worth the purchase. Tell me if you like them. You may not like them for yourself, but they may still be cute, so give me that at least. Give me that bit. And I am running out of things to say, so tune in tomorrow for another Vlogmas post. Tomorrow I'm not sure. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think we're either going to, depends on what I have energy for, because Mondays and Wednesdays are my late work nights, so I'm not sure exactly what I will have the bandwidth to do. So we'll see what I come up with. Bye guys.